My name is Marcel Harrison Miles, and I'm the art specialist here at the Art Place Mountain View. Today we are celebrating Black History Month by doing a really cute painting inspired by Alma Woodsey Thomas. She's a famous abstractionist who actually was an educator that retired at age 60 and decided to take on a full-time painting position as an artist in the community. And some of her works that are most noted are paintings that are inspired by light, by nature, and her bold use of flat paint strokes to create a movement and an emotion in the work. So again, this will be the painting inspired by Eclipse, which is one of her most famous pieces that we'll be making today. We want to thank you for watching, and let's get started. Okay, step one, you'll want to take your little canvas board and your little wedge included, and you'll make a circle somewhere on your canvas. So you just dip a little bit, you don't need a lot of paint. And I'm just going to take the right top half and make my circle. And it's okay if it's not perfect, you can just go back over it. And then you can use your Q-tip to kind of clean up the edges. This is a very forgiving process. So if you need to go back and touch something up, you can do that at any point once the paint is dry. It's very helpful. You'll notice that there's a variety of Q-tips, one for each color. So your next step is going to be, now that you have your circle identified, you'll want to take your next color. I am going to use blue, just like the Eclipse piece here. So I am going to use a lighter blue that I've already mixed up with some of the white. You'll have all of these paints in your kit. And I'm just going to go down and, using pressure and just little stippling, make a pattern around the circle. And I find that it works best if you dip every single time, but I like to kind of go a little bit faster, as you might as well. You want to follow the outline of the circle. That pattern creates a lot of movement and interest. Making sure that your circles are pretty close together but not touching, and if they touch, it's okay. Alma's piece, you can see that there's green there. So now I'm going to start with my green. My next color, I'm going to go with the blue, the lighter blue here. This one is a bit thicker, so that's nice. And basically you're just following your pattern. After everything dries, you can always go back and add your own little touches in between. I'm sure Alma would have wanted it that way. Okay, and my next colors are going to be my yellow, orange, red. So I'm going to go with my orange first. Finding is it's better for me to just turn it upside down so that I can get a nicer curve to the piece. Okay, it looks like I can just touch a little bit of the deeper blue up here, even though It's really red. We're just gonna play with that. And there we are. We have our finished, one-of-a-kind, Alma Woodsey Thomas inspired field color painting done by yours truly. Congratulations.